Time to make some arches for Michelle's baby shower. This is 4x8 underlayment wood. So here what I'm doing is marking a point in the middle of the board using the radius. So here I'm just taping down the line to help me make the arch. I recently purchased this pole saw and it's nice and flexible, which makes it easier to follow the curve. So at this point, I'm not sure if you can see the background, but I cut the arches, but there's a lot of rough areas that need to be sanded down. So, and if you notice that I'm working with hand tools, that's because, well, two reasons. The first one is that the neighbors don't get annoyed by all the noise from power tools. And the second reason is because I find it more therapeutic, I guess you can say. I find more enjoyment in woodworking when I use the hand tools. So there you go. So I actually have the diagram. There you go. So that gives me the height and the width of the arches. What I like about the hand sanders versus the electrical sanders is that they blow a lot less dust into the air. I didn't think I'd need heavy-duty sawhorses, but after this project, I think I might get me some because these plastic sawhorses tend to move around a lot. Okay, so I cut these two pieces, which will essentially be in the stand. And what I'll do is I'll have some hinges that will allow them to expand and retract. One of the things that I forgot to film was me using the nail gun to attach finishing nails from the arch to the support pieces of wood. I purchased 6 of these piano hinges. Yeah, I was gonna go with the door hinge, but this looks like a much better option. And it's nice and has a nice thin profile, so it should be able to get packed up into the garage pretty nicely. Here I'm just marking the spot where I plan to drill the pilot holes. These washers are a little oversized, but that's fine. I forgot to film it, but I did properly fasten these nuts and bolts after having hand tightened them. Okay, moment of truth. Standing upright on its own, and the good thing is that it's also very light and portable, so I could just pack them up pretty easily. So put something like this. Okay, now they're off to the paint department.
Te quiero decir, te elijo a ti, si me dan a elegir, te elijo a ti, para poder vivir, te elijo a ti, es lo que me hace sentir, te elijo aquí.